Hi friends, today I'm going to share YouTube channels on stock market. Initially I was looking for video platforms which would help me to learn something about stock market and to be a better investor. And few YouTube channels have come for a great help. Today I'm going to share them with you. Before I begin, I was a bit puzzled with the viewership these channels have considering their quality of information. Friends, to be a successful investor in stock market, it is not only important to be a right person with right instincts, but it is also important to have right information at right time. So do subscribe to these channels. CARE Ratings, one of the leading rating agency. CARE Ratings, by its industry analyst, research analyst, and economists, conduct various webinars on finance sector updates. So, you will get updated about quarterly performance by corporates. You will also get updated about economic events and their impact, like trade wars and changing environments. They also analyze performance of various sectors and industries. They select an industry and analyze its performance over a period of time, considering the rules and regulations within which that industry has to perform. With the changing environment and economic events, they try to give outlook forward for that industry. So, if you want to get updated about quarterly performance by corporates and in-depth industry analysis, you shall consider CARE Ratings. CFA Society India. CFA Society India is an association of investment professionals consisting of portfolio managers, security analysts, investment advisors, and other financial professionals. CFA Society India conducts speaker events and workshops which are led by leading financial professionals. PPFAS Mutual Fund. PPFAS Mutual Fund generally communicates to their unit holders and shares with them their thought process of investing at Financial Opportunities Forum. They share their views on industries and sectors, the tailwinds and challenges to particular industry's market share are their special mentions. They also do in-depth analysis of businesses and business models. They also consider changing events and current disruptions which have impact on business model and which can affect the industry as a whole. So, in this way, they share their ideas, their thought process of investing, their practices and strategies with which they invest in stocks. Motilal Oswal Financial Services. Here, I want to particularly mention their wealth creation study, where they talk about their approach to equity investing through QGLP model. Q stands for quality, G for growth, L for longevity, and P for price. The most special feature about this wealth creation study is their analysis of most consistent, fastest, biggest wealth creators in Indian equity. Not only this, they also talk about their nuances in investing over a period of time and also their process of stock selection. Money Control. Money Control is India's most searched financial and business portal. With in-depth market coverage, expert opinions, analysis, and financial tools, Money Control has been the premier destination for customers and market watchers. Money Control is the destination for stock market news and advice, also for business news and news about India and global economy. I have already made videos on Money Control website. You will find the link in description. Now I am going to talk about few special mentions from the YouTube channel which are not available on website. For those of you who want to always get updated with interesting things happening in the market without spending much time surfing around the news, you shall never miss the following playlists: Reporter's Take, Explained, 3-point analysis, Ideas for profit, Buy or sell. When it comes to Explained and Reporter's Take playlist, you will find discussions on various economic events and their impact on sectors and industries. Now coming to 3-point analysis, you will find panel selecting a company and does 3-point analysis to understand key financial elements, earnings, and their outlook on the company. Regarding ideas for profit, you will find earnings review, financial overview, and quarterly result analysis. In this way, you will find Money Control taking you around many companies with detailed analysis in short videos. Money Life News Bites. Money Life News Bites is a sub-channel of Money Life TV where important news items, deeply researched articles relating to finance sector are discussed in short videos. Money Life is among the most ethical media companies and is known for calling a wrong as wrong. This is reflected in their vibrant news and views. Also do check their portal www.moneylife.in for deeply researched articles and current affairs of finance sector. Money Life News Bites gives information that is of direct relevance to investors, customers, and citizens. Value Research. On this channel, you'll find answers to most common queries relating to mutual funds, tax savings, financial planning, and stock selection. Ask Circle. Ask Circle conducts mutual fund roundtables. The motto for forming mutual fund roundtable is to spread awareness among investors through financial literacy. Currently, it is the biggest mutual fund conference in India. Ask Circle aims to conduct discussions and knowledge sharing sessions. Also, do subscribe to this channel and click the bell icon so that you will never miss an update.